Have you ever wanted to start working out but felt overwhelmed, unsure of where to begin? If so, you're not alone. Today, I'll guide you through the first steps of starting a workout routine, even if you've never exercised before. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share a simple strategy to make fitness a sustainable part of your life. The hardest part of starting to work out is taking that first step. It's natural to feel intimidated, but you don't need fancy equipment or hours of free time. What you need is a plan, and that's what I'm here to help you build. Step 1 is all about mindset. Instead of seeing exercise as a chore, view it as a gift to your future self. Working out isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling stronger and healthier. Set small, realistic goals. For example, aim to move your body for 10 minutes a day this week. Small wins add up and build momentum. Step 2 is to choose an activity you enjoy. If running or lifting weights doesn't excite you, that's okay. Try walking, dancing, yoga, or playing a sport. The best workout is the one you'll actually do. Starting with something fun makes the process less daunting. Next, create a routine. For beginners, consistency matters more than intensity. Start with 2 or 3 days a week and gradually increase. Block off time in your schedule and treat it as non-negotiable. Even a 10 or 15-minute session makes a difference. Preparation is key. Lay out your workout clothes the night before, choose a playlist, or queue up a beginner workout video. Removing obstacles ahead of time makes it easier to show up when it's time to exercise. Recovery is equally important. Especially if you're new to working out, your body needs time to adjust. Listen to it. If you're sore, take a rest day or try light stretching. Recovery isn't a sign of weakness, it's how you get stronger. Track your progress. This could be as simple as checking off days on a calendar or keeping a journal of how you feel after each workout. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Progress is progress, and recognizing it keeps you motivated. Here's the strategy 1 promised: start with the 10-minute rule. Commit to just 10 minutes of movement. If, after 10 minutes, you feel like stopping, that's fine. But most of the time, you'll want to continue. This simple trick helps you overcome the hardest part, getting started. Remember, starting to work out isn't about being perfect, it's about showing up for yourself. Take it one step at a time, be kind to yourself, and experiment to find what works for you. You've got this, and your future self will thank you. If you're ready to take that first step, start today. Your journey begins now.